Soweto Giants will come two potential superstars. Lesedi Kapinga will link up with his new teammate this week and has been allocated the number 21. Kapinga stated that he is happy to join Pirates, insisting that he wants to add value to the club. Meanwhile, Pirates beat rivals Kaizer Chiefs to the signature of Kapinga as Amakosi were heavily linked with midfielder for several weeks. Kapinga will be eager to revive his career in Soweto and prove his doubters wrong in 2023-24 season. On other news, Poso Di Tejane is currently training with the first team and has given a 3-year promotion contract. He plays as a right wing back. He's got a pace, skills and scoring boots. Reeve Frosler and Dylan Solomon should be worried. Too much talent here. He becomes the second player to be promoted ahead of the new season after Vicky Mkwani was also given first team contracts according to Soccer Zero. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.